Hi, Iya. Happy 50th birthday. Ay, Iya! Happy birthday! Oh! Hi, Iya. Happy birthday. 50 ka na pala. So, enjoy mo lang permi ang buhay. Wish ko lang permi ka healthy. Alam mo naman na padaba ta ikaw. Love you. Happy birthday gihapon, Iya. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Tita Leia. Wishing you a wonderful birthday filled with love and happiness and also good health po. Thank you po, Tita Leia, for such a second tita. Namiss na po kita. Balik ka na po dito. And thank you for love that you gave me and also for memories that we have po. Yun na naman po masasabi ko, and please take care for your health po. And alam ko naman po kayo strong. Nag-gym pa nga po eh. And also, more blessing pa po na dumating sa buhay niyo po. Yun lang po. Bye-bye!
Hi, Tita! I miss you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ingat.
Happiest birthday, Tita Leia. I hope you're doing good there. More birthdays to come. Pasensya na kung ganito ang aking face. Kagad na. Oh my God. And by the way, so enjoy your day. More birthdays to come. And see you when I see you. Ingat lagi. Bye-bye.
Hello po, Tita Leia namin. Fine Fiarda. Happy birthday po. Thank you po sa lahat. And God bless po. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi ni Franca. See you soon po.
Hi, Tita Leia. It's your birthday today. Thank you for all the hospitality and for pagiging super mabait. And also, thank you for raising such a lovely, beautiful, and kind person kay Ate Franca. We all appreciate you po, especially the people who surrounds you. It's your day today, so I'll just make it short po. Enjoy your day to the fullest, and I wish you a super healthy life, and may God always brings you blessings ng doble-doble, especially to your friends, relatives, and family, of course. More birthdays to come po, and always remember na madaming nagmamahal po sa'yo. And we love you. And again, happiest birthday po.
Hi, Tita Leia. Happy birthday. Miss ko na kamo ni Franca. Sana pag-uli niyo siguro ko after 4 years, may mga trabaho na kami para matreat man namon kamo. Tas lalo na ikaw. Salamat sa intiro. Lalo na pagyadi kamo, padabao naman kamo. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tita Leia. Happy birthday po, and ingat ka po palagi. More birthday to come then. Stay pretty lagi.
Happy birthday, Leia! You are not getting old. You're getting more fabulous and wiser. Wish you good health and happy lang always. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday.
Van harte gefeliciteerd met je 50ste verjaardag, Lea. Nou, ze zeggen dat 50 de nieuwe 25 is, dus stay young and stay healthy.
Ja, and welcome to the club.
Ja,
Met mij.
happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy always! Ah.
Oh, jouw hoofd. Proost op jou. Oké.